Ever felt low for no reason? Like something's off, but you just can't explain it? In today's heartfelt English conversation, two friends talk about exactly that. If you've ever struggled with unexplained sadness, or just wanted someone to understand you, this one's for you. Watch till the end to see how a small conversation can bring a big change. Hey, you've been quiet today. Everything okay? I don't know, man. I just feel off. Can't really explain it. Like sad or just tired? A bit of both, I guess. It's like there's a cloud hanging over me for no reason. That happens. Sometimes our mind gets heavy even when life seems fine on the outside. Exactly. I hate it though. People ask what's wrong, and I have no answer. You don't need a reason to feel down. Emotions don't always follow logic. I just feel guilty for not feeling grateful enough or happy enough. Like I'm wasting time being sad. Hey, don't beat yourself up. Feeling low doesn't make you ungrateful. It makes you human. Thanks. I just wish I could shake it off. You don't need to shake it off. You just need someone to sit with you through it. And I'm here. Appreciate it, really. Just hearing that makes a difference. Want to go for a walk or grab some coffee? Sometimes fresh air helps clear the fog. Yeah, maybe. That actually sounds nice. Also, no pressure to talk. We can just sit or laugh at dumb memes if you want. You always know how to make me feel seen without making it awkward. Because I've been there too. And trust me, you'll get through this. Even if it doesn't feel like it right now. Do you really think so? I don't just think so, I know so. You're stronger than you realize. And no low lasts forever. Thanks, man, really. You being here means more than I can say. Always. That's what friends are for, right? Now come on. Coffee's on me. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.